someone who's blind takes DMT, dimethyltryptamine, one of the most potent psychedelics, would they be able to have visual hallucinations like people who aren't visually impaired would? It's a very interesting question. There isn't much research in this at all, really. So we can look at what we do have. There's one study, but it was from 1963, but it was interested in seeing how LSD can potentially affect the functioning of the retina in the eye. So they gave LSD to 24 blind people. 13 of these had become blind later in life, and 11 of them were blind from birth. So the participants who were blind from birth didn't get any sort of visual hallucinations at all. They got other types of hallucinations associated with LSD though, like audio hallucinations, tactile hallucinations to do with touch, or some of them had changes to their sense of self, or indeed changes to mood, which LSD can produce by intensifying positive or negative sort of feelings. But the people that were blind from birth did not get any sort of visual hallucinations. Now, the people that were blind later on in life got all the other types of hallucinations as well, but they also had very, very limited sort of visual hallucinations, but it wasn't complex shapes or fully formed visions. It was more like dots of lights or flickers and things like that. Those findings were sort of backed up by two earlier studies that those researchers referenced. One was a very small sample, 2 people, blind people given LSD, and one was to do with mescaline. But yeah, none of this research is good enough for sort of what we're looking at here. So yeah, more research is definitely needed.